Today we are going to revise the three-letter words, but we are going to make a game so that we can revise the three-letter words in an innovative way. So shall we start? We need a placard, a rectangular shaped card, any piece of paper. We need small square papers. It can be colored, it can be plain, whatever the availability you have. We need a gum, we need a marker and a stapler. So let's start. Now on this placard, on these small square shaped flashcards, write the letters A, T, F, B, K, M. Children, you can take the help of your mama also to make write these letters. Now, what we will do next? We will paste the vowel A in the middle of the rectangle shaped placard like this. Okay, now A is a vowel. Now we will paste the letter T over here like this. So children, which word it has become? At. What it has become? At. Now, what we are going to do next? We are going to collect the consonant flashcards together like this. This is B, K, M and F. We are going to collect these flashcards together and are going to pile up like this. Now, we are going to staple them like this from only one end, from only one side. Now, we are going to paste it like this. We are going to apply the Fevicol on the last flashcard and paste it in front of A like this. Now, let us see the magic. B, at, bat. Now, flip the first flashcard. Oh, it has become like a book. K, at, cat. F, at, fat. M, at, mad. So children, did you see that what an interesting game you have made? You have made a mini CVC book, a three-letter book for yourself. Now, you can revise it anytime, whenever you want. B at a bat, K at cat, F at fat, M at mad. So children, I hope you enjoyed this video. Parents, this way of revision really helps them to recapitulate the concept more easily. So children, we will meet again. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep washing your hands. Thank you.